Hello YouTube, it's your boy Mark from PhoneSmith. Today I'll be showing you guys this new thing called a Netflix party. You guys stay tuned. Netflix introduced this new thing called Netflix Party. Alright, I wouldn't say Netflix did, but someone who is really smart made this extension for Chrome. Basically, you'll be able to go on Netflix, install this add-on, and after you install the add-on and go on Netflix, you'll be able to send a party link, and everyone who sees that link can get invited and get in their own chat room with you, and y'all can chat, play, pause the movie, rewind, whatever it may be, without being in the same spot wirelessly through the internet. So look, let me show you guys how to get it. So first, we're gonna go to the Chrome Web Store. Let me restart it completely for y'all. Chrome Web Store, or Chrome Store. All right, click this first Chrome Web Store link. See what I'm saying? Type in Netflix Party. After you type in Netflix Party, click Add to Chrome, Add Extension. Oh, and there it goes. So it takes you to this other website where it says install Netflix, but you already have it on the top right. As you can see, NP is already there. All right. So after you have that, type in Netflix. After you type in Netflix, we're gonna go on. Let's go just watch a movie. We're gonna watch a movie. Click resume. I'll just resume a movie I was watching. Everything is blurred just for copyright reasons. And since the movie is playing, I paused it just now, and look, NP is glowing on the right side of the screen. All right. So we're gonna click Start a Party. Copy URL, and I'm going to send this URL to my friend, so I'm gonna email her right now so I can show you guys a live demonstration of how this is done. It's really cool, trust me. So now, if you're stuck in quarantine, like me in Florida right now, you don't even have to leave your house. You can seriously watch a movie without even being there and chat about it without being on the phone together, wasting, phone call or messing the movie up. Of course, if you send a text message through the movie, it will pause. So note to self. I just sent her the URL. Let me text her. All right, I just texted her. I sent her a new URL, and now we're gonna wait on her to get inside the chat room. One cool new feature in this Netflix party thing is that it gives you the option to have an avatar. So basically I click on the picture and I could be, let's say, Batman. All right, click on that again. Let's give myself a nickname, PhoneSmith. Save changes. And now I just updated my name and my avatar picture. Of course you can't put a custom picture, but in the chat room you could just, make it a little bit fun. You see what I'm saying? All right, so basically, guys, this is the easiest thing called Netflix Party. It just got introduced. I just had some technical difficulties with it. Basically, trying to get someone to connect to the party with the link. I just got off the phone with them. They told me they had a problem with their internet, computer's slow. So I can't really say it's the Netflix Party add-on's fault. But all I can say right now is the Netflix Party thing is cool. If you guys want to try it out, it's 1, 2, 3 easy. You don't have to buy anything. It's free. You guys try it on. It works on Mac and PC. Again, please try to have high-speed internet and not have any issues with it. All right, so you guys, if this video is any entertaining or helpful and got you on Netflix with your friends, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe.